Once again, a gloriously timed stroke. Shaheen in pursuit. Bangladesh will look to run 3. And they complete it. It's now down to 5. Bangladesh on the verge of something extraordinary. Their captain came to Pakistan and said, records are meant to be broken. What a way he will celebrate his 26th birthday today. The captain of Bangladesh, Najmul Hasan Shanto. There will be some party.
Well, that would be some present from his teammates, I can tell you that.
Some present to entire Bangladesh.
Absolutely. They would also need to realize that they were here to play 2 test matches. A win will give them a lead in the series. So they would be, when the time comes, when the winning runs are made, they will go 1-0 up in a 2-match series, and they'll be here. 4 days gap in between, and then the next test match starts in the same venue. 30th of August. So they will be in that 4 days. They will be thinking and hoping that they can get better, and how one can get better. Recently appointed captain in all the 3 formats of the game, Najmul Hasan Shanto, already has a win. That was against New Zealand recently in 2023, November. This is his 5th test match. Looking like he's going to get another win under his belt. That is good. These are really good. Because you can realize the fact that when you start winning matches, that means he's doing something right. No.
First outing as captain away from home. In his very first test match, under all that responsibility, challenging situation in Bangladesh. They came here early. They practiced for a couple of days in Lahore, had a bit of a net in Rawalpindi. And now they are 5 short of a massive celebration. Oh, you spoke about the consistency in test wins for Bangladesh. Winning a habit, knowing how to get over the line, and becomes slightly more easier once you've done it once. So against Bangladesh versus Pakistan, next time when they walk out into the middle, they'll know how to do it. They will have experienced that situation. They would have gone through those challenging conditions, periods, the ebbs and flows of test cricket. And with everything stacked against them, they will have done it once. And then comes that consistency that you're talking about.
No.
It's 25 for no loss. Bangladesh need 5 to win. Day 5 of a test match has yielded 9 wickets. Run through for 1 more.
Yeah, where does Pakistan go from here? Because we've spoken about how well Bangladesh players have handled themselves in this test match. But as we mentioned earlier, it is a 2-match series. So Pakistan will need to find answers, and find answers quickly. Four more. There you go. Bangladesh go on to create history. And they're all up in the stands standing and applauding the two youngsters who will remember this forever. Incredible. Simply incredible. It's a sight to behold. Not only have they dominated this test match, but they've gone on to beat Pakistan for the very first time, would you believe it, by 10 wickets. Congratulations to Bangladesh. Congratulations to Nazmul and Shanto. And obviously the senior campaigners, Mushfiqur Rahim, Shakib Al Hasan and company, will certainly enjoy this for a very, very long time to come.
Yeah, Shanto and his men shine bright in Pakistan. They write a new chapter in the history of Test cricket, and they write it permanently. They become the first side in history to beat Pakistan by 10 wickets at home. It is something they can be very, very proud of. It is something that they and all of Bangladesh will celebrate for years to come. It has been an outstanding effort. Shanto said at the start of this, we are determined to do something special. And they have delivered on all fronts. Bangladesh registered their first victory in Test cricket against Pakistan. And as the scoreline reads, it's been nothing short of sensational.
The winning run coming from the bat of Zakir Hasan, the left-hander, who came to the test scene with a bang. Picked up 100 on debut against India, but this will certainly remain in his memories for a very, very long time. What a role model he has been, Mushfiqur Rahim. He's a class act and he's been a great ambassador for Bangladesh. 191, and the longest career among active cricketers at present. 19 years and he's still got the hunger. What a win this has turned out to be. Incredible. Shanto will be over the moon. Bangladesh back home. Party starts now.
There you go, that tells a story. They're going to be dancing in the streets, they're going to be dancing at home, and they will be dancing to every beat of this test match. In his heart will be beating in his chest at the knots of this victory. A very, very happy birthday, Najmul Hasan Shanto, and a very, very huge congratulations to Bangladesh. That's a 1,000 megawatt smile. On the ground, to my left, Athar Ali Khan, who's been a part of Bangladesh cricket, had a certain hand to play in the selection of a number of these players, including that man on screen, Mushfiqur Rahim. But it's about the players. It's about the 11, their preparation, their execution, and the other members in the squad and the support staff. Let's revisit the golden moment.
Yeah, what a moment when Zakir Hasan swept that for a boundary. The sight of that ball going and hitting the cushions, and everybody gets on their feet. Yeah, unbelievable scenes here. They've put in a lot of hard work, I can tell you that. It's not been an easy ride for them, especially in the longest format of the game. But the satisfaction to achieve a test victory against Pakistan, in Pakistan, will certainly make them very, very happy. Outstanding, brilliant, thanking the Lord above.
Some of these pictures will be posters, will be background screensavers for years to come. Extraordinary, incredible, simply spectacular by Bangladesh, led by a 26-year-old Najmul Hasan Shanto, who captains his first test match away from home and leads a group of players determined to fight. Showed resilience, their temperaments were tested, they toiled hard in the field, and they emerge victorious. They emerge victorious and they create a number of records. It's their first test win against Pakistan. They become the first side to beat Pakistan at home by 10 wickets. And they deserve a mighty celebration. It's a 2 test match series, and the first test match goes to Bangladesh. Let's have a look at how all of this panned out. Remember, the coin fell in the favor of the Bangladeshi captain, who put Pakistan in 2 big centuries, 171 from Rizwan, 141 from Saud Shakil, as Shan Masood decided to call his men back in at the end, near the end of day 2 at 448 for 6 when they declared. Bangladesh, they were always in for a fight, led by the most experienced campaigner in Mushfiqur Rahim, 191, his first century against Pakistan. They were bowled out for 565. Pakistan, well, they were bundled out in some spectacular fashion by the Bangladesh spinners for 146. 4 to Mehdi Hasan Miraz, 3 to Shakib Al Hasan. And Bangladesh, requiring 30 runs to win, have registered a record-breaking win by beating Pakistan by 10 wickets in this first of 2 match series.
Well, another one added, an overseas win. So there would be a 7th win for Bangladesh, and what a win. 10-wicket victory for Bangladesh, and their very first against Pakistan. Yeah, we'll take a short break and we'll come back with the presentation.